Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new lesson number 6. Share your cookies. Sharing is caring. This proverb you would have heard many times. Sharing is caring. Now, this is a story about a girl whose name was Sarah. What is the story of Sarah? We are going to read. So, first we will start from the green box. Let's start. Sharing means to divide your things, to give little part of your things to others. Sharing means to divide your things or give a little part of your things to others, or to allow others to use your things. To allow others to use your things. When you share with others, you care for them. Means when you share things, you want to give your things to others. It means you want to take care of others. Okay? आप चाहते हो कि आप दूसरे के लिए कुछ करो, कुछ अच्छा दूसरे के लिए करो. When you share with others, you care for them. If you do not share with others, it means you do not care about others. And if you do not share with others, others will also not share with you. Others will also not give your things to you. Okay? Now, today it is raining outside. Today it is raining outside the house. Outside whose house? Sarah's house. It was a rainy day and it was raining. Sarah and her friends are playing indoor games. Why they are playing indoor games? Because it is raining outside. They could not play outdoor games. Now, Mark, Joe, Lucy and Daisy are playing their favorite games. Favorite means the games which they like most. Those games they are playing, and they are playing together. Sarah is sitting alone in a corner and playing with her jigsaw puzzle. Sarah was not playing with all the other friends. She was sitting alone in a corner and playing with her favorite game, jigsaw puzzle. See in the picture. Yes, Sarah is sitting and playing her favorite game, jigsaw puzzle. And other friends, Joe, Lucy and Daisy, Mark, are playing together. Okay. Now, can I play with you? Asked Lucy to Sarah. Lucy came to Sarah and said, can I play with you? Sarah said no, as she played with the puzzle. While she was playing, she said, no, I don't want to play with you. Then Lucy said, but sharing is caring. Well, I don't care, said Sarah to Lucy. Sarah said to Lucy, I don't care. मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं है. मुझे कोई केयर नहीं है. मुझे नहीं खेलना तुम्हारे साथ. Sarah has a bad habit of not sharing her things with others. She never share her things with other people, other friends. She does not share her toys or lunch with her friends. Next day, Mark brought a box of chocolate chip cookies for everyone in the class. What did Mark brought? A box of chocolate chip cookies for everyone in the class. Everyone had one chocolate chip cookies. They were very tasty. What were very tasty? Chocolate chip cookies were very tasty. Sarah was about to take a bite of her cookie. Sarah also took one cookie from the box. As others had taken one, Sarah also took one cookie from the box. But when she was about to take a bite of cookie, when she was about to eat the cookie, accidentally the cookie dropped down and fell it on the ground. Accidentally, the cookie of Sarah dropped down and fell it on the ground. Let's see in the next page. Oh no, she cried because she had just dropped her cookie. What did Sarah said? Oh no. When it fall down, she said, oh no. And she cried because she had just dropped her cookie. She sat in a corner alone and saw everyone enjoying their cookies. Everyone was eating and enjoying. Enjoying means taking a taste of cookie, taking a good taste of cookie. Joe saw that Sarah had lost her cookie. He came and sat next to Sarah. Joe broke his cookie in half and gave one half off to Sarah. He broke his cookie into two parts, into two halves, and gave one half part to Sarah and smiled. But Sarah said, but it is your cookie. Then Joe said, I know it is my cookie, but sharing is caring. So I want to give one part to you. Thank you, said Sarah as she took a bite of the cookie. When she received the cookie, when she took the cookie from Joe, then she took a bite of it. And then she said, after taking a bite, she said, thank you. Then when anybody says thank you, what should you say in return? Same thing Joe said, you are welcome. But remember that it is nice to share things with others. What did Joe say to Sarah? Remember that it is nice to share your things with others because it is the right and kind thing to do. Oh, promise to share my things from now onwards, said Sarah. Sarah said to Joe, yes, you are correct. Now I promise that I will share my things to others from now onwards. आज से मैं दूसरों के साथ अपनी चीजें शेयर करूंगी, said Sarah to Joe. So children, I think you have understood the story. Now, what you are supposed to do, what is your homework? Your homework is to read the lesson number 6. Whatever you don't understand, the word which you are not able to read, you ask your elders and underline that word. Whatever word you are not able to understand, children, you ask any elder at home and underline that word which you do not understand, and ask any of the elder at home and read the story once, twice, thrice, as many times as you can. Okay children, this is your homework, this is your assignment. We will meet in the next moral science class. Till then, bye bye.